Oh my god. There's two things that are crazy right now. I drove in the rain and I'm filming by myself. I decided to make a vlog by myself. I need to spit out my gum. I know I'm here at the library because I'm a senior and I have senioritis and I haven't done like any schoolwork in like 5 weeks. So I gotta do my schoolwork. I got a Celsius, obviously, because why the fuck not? I want to get used to like filming by myself. Look at my, oh my god, this is heavy. Jesus, what did I put in here? Holy shit. I'm gonna go in the library, do some homework. There's a lot of weirdos here. We're gonna go in the library. I don't want to hit the car next to me. That would be an issue. I don't like vlogging by myself, guys. I feel like a weirdo. Not really, but I almost spilled my Celsius. That would have been bad. Guys, I just went to the bathroom. I'm in the bathroom right now because I spilled Celsius already. Looks like I fucking peed. Well, it's not on my pants. It's on my shirt. So, yeah. Wait. What if I do this? That looks so stupid. It's okay. This isn't gonna end well. I did it. I put my Celsius in here, but it's also open, so I have to be like really careful. I don't think they eat food or drinking. I don't fucking know. I haven't been to the library in like years. I legit have not been to this library in like 5 years. There's a lot of people here. There's like 4 groups of people here. I don't know that. I need to walk in though. I actually need to fucking walk in because literally I wanna say I have not done any schoolwork in actually that's a lie. I've done some, but like I haven't done like a lot of schoolwork in like 2 months. So I need to walk the fuck in so I fucking graduate. Back in the car. So I got here at like 1 and it's currently 4 and I can't believe I spent 3 hours there. That's crazy. It's like raining really bad and I'm really cold. I think I'm gonna go to store, but I don't know, because it's like, I hate driving in the rain. I hate driving in the rain. I have to go to a store, so I think I'm gonna go there. Or I'm just gonna go home. I don't know. Oh, there's a cop. Guys, you guys saw that cop, right? He's right in front of me. I don't know what to do. I wasn't doing anything illegal, was I? I do not think I'm doing anything illegal. Oh, she just got out. Nope, she just got out. I was just trying to record the rain and a cop showed up. I don't like seatbelts, but there's a cop here, so I have to.
It's ironic how my living room's been kinda hard living. Have to keep the television on to make the silence distant. I know we said we wouldn't, but I'm calling, 'cause everybody in this town's been talking. Thought you were the winter green inside my garden. I lit a match covered in gasoline, with you next to me, stuck in my apartment.
Guys, I just spilled my refresher on me. It's okay. Look! I'm so happy. I also got 2 donuts, one for me and one for my sister. But they're vanilla frosted with sprinkles. We usually get chocolate frosted with sprinkles. So, holy shit, it's raining like crazy. Moral of the story is do things that scare you, even if they scare you. I didn't like driving in the rain, right? I'm driving in the rain. It's not that fucking bad. It's honestly not bad, like at all. So do what scares you. You might like it. I don't like driving in the rain still, but it's not as bad as I thought. Also, usually I'll go through the drive-thru, but I just wanted to kind of make this entertaining. I wanted, whoa. I'm gonna start over. I usually go through the drive-thru, right? Usually, I go through it. Oh my god, oh my fucking god, I can't talk. Okay. Usually, I go through the drive-thru like a normal human. But, this video is like really boring and I want it to be kind of interesting. So, I just walked into Dunkin'. So, it's not that interesting, honestly, but I'm going to Walmart tonight with my sister. I don't know if I'll vlog it, but I might. So recently Dunkin' changed their contract or did whatever the fuck they did, and now the green tea and strawberry is like in the same thing. It's like mixed together already, so I can't ask for extra strawberries anymore. So what I do is I get it and then I go home and I heat up frozen strawberries and then I put them in here and it makes it 10 times better. So we're gonna go do that. I feel like that's the funniest thing to do. I feel like recording myself walking into a room like you just walked in is like the funniest shit ever, because like obviously you set your phone down and then re-walk in. Whenever I see videos like that, I think it's the funniest shit ever. So I got home, I put strawberries in here. It is 10 times better. Also, I'm just now realizing after doing this like 10 times that it's basically a strawberry acai from Starbucks. Also, look at my donut. my god, it has D's on it for Dunkin'. Oh my god, I just got that. That's so funny. Guys, I'm like so cold right now. I just changed into a warmer sweatshirt. And the heat is on in my house. It's just like so fucking cold for no reason. I'm gonna eat this donut and drink this refresher. You know when Jesus says like, eat this bread and drink this blood? I don't know. I just reminded myself of that. Eat this donut and drink this refresher. Guys, I'm in this play and I get to play Helen Keller. That's not true. My part in the play is supposed to just be a crippled, disabled person, and I get healed by Jesus. A lady that like works on the set is like, I've known her since I was like a baby, and she was like telling me what to do. She was like, Marla, you have to be like so dramatic when you're up there, and I was like, oh, I'm good at being dramatic, and she's like, oh, I know, Marla. I thought that was really funny. People are probably like, Marla, if you're so fucking cold, why do you get an iced drink? If you're not from New England, you don't fucking get it. If you're not from New England, you don't get it. We get iced drinks in the winter. Ugh. Even if I'm freezing, I do. Okay? Because I'm from New England, and that's what we do. That actually may just be a me thing. I don't know if other people do it. Guys, do other people? If you're from New England, do you get ice drinks in the winter? Or is that just me? Am I weird? Oh god. Don't answer that. Please don't. I don't want to know if you guys think I'm weird.
Looking up at your home, doubled up my bankroll. Yeah, I'm so cool, I know. Yeah, I got swag, I know. Yeah, flexing on your hoe. Yeah, shouts out to Lil Bro. Yeah.